set sail into the moon. Tilt our tails to the morning view.
No, chop.
Our plans and schemes seem so serene. Amongst the stars, red, gold, and green. Oh, we gave it all in the autumn fall. We danced like flames around the sun. Angels flew where our hope had come. And fireflies went to and fro. As we sat back in the afterglow. Oh, gave it all in the autumn fall. Oh, we gave it all in the autumn fall.
Crazy bastard. On the 14th of May, we got a Tail Rotor transmission chip light, and upon inspection, we found considerable amount of metal in the on the chip plug. So we had to ground the machine. It's now the 1st of June. We got our new transmission yesterday. Ray spent all day yesterday putting it in and shimming it all up. So it took him a bit of time. We ended up running out of daylight and time, so to track and or to balance it. So we started balancing today. We tried to. We asked the fishmaster, "Hey, can you stop and stop the boat so we can do it?" And he said yes, he would. And then when it comes down to it, he won't. And now he's asking, "Oh, is the helicopter ready?" Because we're not working on it. I was like, "Well, you've got a choice here. You can stop the boat for an hour or so, let us get it done, or you can go fishing and have to wait for us until we get a chance to do it when the boat's not moving. So yeah, tower is on, but it's not balanced yet. So here we sit, watching other people fly and fish.
I read a story about a coal fire. It burned for 80 miles underground, under rivers and across the state line, without a flame, without a sound. It burned a building and some fence posts. And it come up from the dirt into the sky. And when they interviewed the town folks, they said that hell was on the rise. Now I'm looking out the window while you are sleeping. I'm scared out of my mind, oh no. I feel that fire creeping. Everywhere I go, always burns down. Everyone I love is trying to figure me out. And everything I knew, I buried underground. Underground.
Next time on Tuna Pirate, we're amongst the fleet, all chasing schoolfish. Lots of helicopters flying about and lots of boats. One of our sets leads to disaster. The net rips in a big way, taking several days to repair, leaving us out of the fishing game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe so you never miss an episode, and we'll see you next time on Tuna Pirate.